Hello, my name is Brianna Burrow, and today I will be doing an informative speech as to why bees are so important not only to the environment but to us as humans as well. Some do not realize what all bees actually do for us. Bees pollinate wild plants and the crops we harvest. Most people do not know that bees actually only have a stinger for protection. So if they do sting you, they are more scared of you than you are of them. In 2018, WorldBeeDay.com talks about how bees are renowned for making high-quality food like honey, like this raw honey that I have here. I got it from my local health food store. Bees also help make royal jelly and pollen and other products such as beeswax, propolis, and honeybee venom. Bees work in colonies and would die if left alone. They all worship their queen bee because she is the mother of all of the bees in the colony. The worker bees are very devoted to her, but sometimes the worker bees can revolt and turn against the queen bee and assassinate her, and she is then replaced. Also, if worker bees are not doing their part within the hive, they are kicked out and essentially left to die. They take their work very seriously. WorldBeeDay.com also says that bees and other pollinators help pollinate 3/4 of the plants that produce 90% of the world's foods. Another reason why bees are important is they help to sustain farming and its income. Bees play a huge role in agriculture production. For the past 50 years, the need for pollinators has tripled. With the right pollination, the amount of produce to be harvested increases and improves plant quality and resistance to pests. Farm and other agriculture practices are important in offering jobs and other people in first world countries who have to farm to live. Lastly, how bees help the environment is through biodiversity and protection. WorldBeeDay.com explains that bees help preserve the balance and biodiversity in nature. By pollinating, bees protect and maintain ecosystems, as well as animal and plant species. Just by the presence or no presence of bees, you can tell the health of the environment. Being able to notice this can help determine if actions need to be made to help the bees' populations in the future. Here are 4 simple tasks from the beeconservancy.org website that anyone can do to help grow the bee population. The first thing is planting a bee garden. This allows a safe place for bees to make their home and also gives them a variety or nutritional food sources. Planting flowers or plants that are high in pollen and nectar are crucial. And the best part about bee gardens is they do not have to take up much room. You can even start one in a window box or a small section in your yard. A second task you could do to help the bee population is provide trees or help stop the cutting down of trees in a high bee populated area. Trees actually hold over 50% of the nectar bees receive. You could donate to the Arbor Day Foundation and actually receive 10 baby trees to plant yourself. Also, recycling is very helpful to the trees and the environment. The next task the beeconservancy.org website says is important is creating a bee bath. Bees tend to get very thirsty foraging and collecting nectar. All you would need is a shallow bird bath or just a clean bowl of water, and arrange stones inside for the bees to be able to stand on and relax while they take a drink. The last thing you could do to help bees is support your local beekeepers and organizations. If you're not able to participate in any of these past actions we've talked about, you could at least donate to people who take care of bees and help spread their amazing benefits. Also, instead of buying honey from the grocery store, find the closest local raw honey distributor and you will not be disappointed. Local honey helps fight against local allergens, so that's why you need to go to a local dispensary. In conclusion, when you go outside and see bees, hopefully this information will make you see them in a different light. We should appreciate the work bees do for us, and also maybe you will find ways you yourself could save the amazing helpers we call bees. Thank you so much.